I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be a lot of products that I have loved till the month of June 2024. Yes, I can't believe that half of the year has already passed. Like how? But anyways, we have a lot of products to talk about. There's hair care, makeup, skincare, body care, and your favorite Netflix series recommendations as well. So grab something to eat or drink because I know you guys are very happy that I'm making a long format favorites video after very long. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, don't mind the state of my hair. Like they are so frizzy and I have not even taken any effort to style them. Like ye aise hai, ye aise hai. Let's just ignore them. And without no particular order, let's start with these lip products. They are the tiniest one from the lot, so let's talk about them. The first thing is gonna be from ColourPop. This is their ColourPop blotted lip. Now if you guys know me, you know that I don't like very bold thick lip. I like very blotted lips. Like I put a lipstick and I dab it with my fingers. I don't like the defined lips. Like now also you can see that my lip line is kind of blurred. I don't like that proper defined lip. So when I saw that ColourPop is in India and they have this blotted lip product, I had to get it. This is in the shade 23E4 if I'm not wrong. I'll be linking all of these products in the description box below. But hear me out, some people are not gonna like this product. Can you see there is hardly any pigment? Like I'm literally rubbing this and then there is some pigment coming off, right? So you can literally close your eyes and apply this and you won't go wrong. And I love these kind of products because they are so easy to apply. You have to retouch them of course, but I don't mind that. It's very hydrating on the lips and they give me that, you know, my lips but better kind of a, you know, feel on my lips. It doesn't look as if I have put a lot of lipstick to get that color. It naturally looks flushed. Of course right now I have put a lipstick so it's not looking like that, but on a bare face, you know what I mean? And I can sometimes, you know, just like put it on my cheeks also and blend it. It's like a very multi-purpose on the go product, so I feel it's very handy for people who go to college or in the office. You know, you can just literally do this in your train also or in your car, bus, whatever, and just like call it a day. I really like this. If you are into those kind of products, then only you'll like it. Otherwise you're gonna hate it and be like, kis pe paisa barbaad kar diya. But I swear by this. Next up in the similar category is gonna be this one by Wishcare. Now I was always like not into Wishcare ke lip balms. I love their sunscreens and the hair serum. I love it. But lip balm, I always were like so into my Laneige lip balms and like my Charlotte Tilbury balms and everything. But this is so good and so affordable. But this is a tinted one. I have given one to Sahil as well, which is the ceramide one, which has no color and he also loves it. This one has like a pink berry tint. It's hardly showing up on my skin right now, but it's so long lasting. It's really good and I feel this is gonna be beautiful for girls who have pigmented lips because iska jo color hai na, like the moisturization goes away but the color stays, and this berry pink shade in particular actually neutralizes the purplish tint that you have on your lips, like because of the pigmentation. Because even my upper lip is darker than my lower lip and this one actually covers it. I personally love it. Very good lip balm, very good product. I hope they come up with more shades because sometimes this color kind of looks too pink on my lips because I come in a fair to light category. But if you have medium to dusky skin tone, this is gonna look beautiful on your skin, so definitely check this out. Okay, lips की बात चली रही है तो last lip product is this one by Mars. Again, so affordable, like 69 rupees for this. Oh my god, this is in the shade Nude Spell. I'm gonna swatch it on this. This will flatter so many skin tones. This is like one of the universal shades, you know what I mean? Like jo matte ka hair hai, which like suits a lot of skin tones. This is one of those. Like this is such a beautiful shade. I love it, you guys. I love this product. Very long lasting. It's a wooden pencil, so you have to sharpen it of course, but I don't mind doing that. They have so many colors. I am gonna pick a lot of them, but this one has my heart. Like this one genuinely has my heart. Alright, let's move on to some body care and perfumes, okay? This is a little expensive one. This is by Uriage. This is the Uriage deodorant and this says that it's anti-odor for 24 hours. I haven't like tested it out for 24 hours, but this does last on me for around good 12 hours. This has a very fresh spa-like scent, not very overpowering. I love that about the product, and the product is like a liquid, okay, and this will last for a very long time. I have been using this for last one month, yeah, and I am obsessed with it. It smells amazing. Of course I don't work out, so I can't tell you if it will, you know, fare well under those conditions, but अगर आप बहुत बाहर travel करते हो या फिर you have long office hours, I feel you should check out the Chemist at Play AHA BHA wala product. I love it. Odorless one. I love that product. It really, you know, doesn't make you stink, and I feel everyone after you take a bath, you need to put on a roll-on. You cannot skip on a roll-on, I feel, because no matter how many perfumes you use, अगर आपने underarm में कुछ लगाया नहीं है, immediately after you take a shower, you are gonna, you know, have bad odor problems. So roll-on is a best friend. Please invest in one. Next up is this affordable variant from Plum Body Lovin'. I don't know if they have it still. It was like their limited edition. This is the Plum Body Lovin' 50 Shades of Women. This is how the bottle looks like. Look how cute and gorgeous. I've used it so many times, but abhi bhi itna hi khatam hua hai. This has a very nice, honestly I suck at explaining scents, so I will be popping the notes, but if you like sweet scents, थोड़ा gourmand वाला भी flavor है इसमें. I don't know, I just said a flavor. I can't explain perfumes, but you know I have a good taste in them. So if you like smelling sweet and vanilla cupcakey without that headache wala sweet scent, definitely check this out. And this is a perfume that you can layer with a lot of other products, you know what I mean? And plus it's a really cute bottle and affordable. I have Plum का coupon code as well. It's not gonna give me any benefit. तो उनके website पे ये coupon code चलेगा. I will be putting everything in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. My new obsession from Kayali is this Yum Pistachio Gelato variant. So it has, like as the name suggests, like a gelato flavor to it, but also a caramel pistachio hint. So I layer this with my Sol de Janeiro one, and I have got so many compliments because even Sol de Janeiro has that caramelly pistachio undertone. This goes perfectly with it. If you know how I smell like how Mao smells like, you need to get the perfumes that I always tell you. This is such a beautiful perfume. Plus I got this in like a travel size because I didn't know if I could commit to the full size. Kayali perfumes are very expensive, so you can check out the small size. It is a glass bottle, you have to be careful, but of course it fits in your purse is what I'm trying to say. Alright, moving on to favorite skin tints. Now the first one, let's talk about this one, okay, because this is available in India. This is the Love Child by Masaba Skip Everything 4-in-1 tint. Now I recently worked with them and I was skeptical to check this product out, and I'll be like, maybe I have to say no to them, because when I tried it, I loved it. I was like, hell yes, I'm gonna work with you guys. I love this product so much. They have 10 shades for a skin tint, okay? It's not even a foundation. This blends into your skin like magic. I have made a video on this, like a shorts. Please go and check it out. This looks beautiful. College going girls, office going girls, grab this if you can find your shade. This has SPF 20. Of course, that is not a lot. You have to use a sunscreen before that, but it's good to have a little bit of coverage, SPF coverage in this. This also makes your skin look very blurry and smooth. There's something about this light reflecting formula. Plus it comes with this brush. When I saw this, I'm like, ये बहुत gimmicky है, and I always prefer my foundations with you know, sponges, but this one glides on your skin so well. No streaky finish, nothing. I personally love it. My shade is Moody Mama. Definitely check it out. It's for 1300 rupees, but you get a lot of quantity, and this is a perfect product for like that everyday no makeup look. Next up is this by Beauty Blender. Now this is not available in India, but if you travel internationally or if somebody is coming from some part of the country, please tell them to bring you this. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This is not a tint, but this performs like one because it has like a medium coverage, buildable of course. I like to mix it in with my moisturizer and use it all over my face. Like right now also I have this on my skin. It is so good, you guys. I wanted to get a drop wala foundation, but my shade was not available. When I was in Dubai, by the way, I got this. This is in the shade 3.25 medium neutral. Okay, this is my shade. I am obsessed with this product. It's a little thick, so you have to mix it in with like some dewy drops or like your moisturizer, make it runny, make it like a serum, and use it on your face and you're good to go. Trust me, I love it. Alright, base products की बात चली रही है, तो let's talk about this concealer that has, oh my god, like I don't know why I didn't come across this shade. So if you have followed me, you know that मैंने I think Paris के hall में NARS concealer दिखाया हुआ था, but that was not my shade. The lady, Sephora lady, gave me some wrong shade only, so it looked very horrible. So I have understood one thing, that अगर shade wrong जाती है ना, तो you have a very different relationship with the product. So make sure that you get your right shade, because this concealer मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि 6-7 years of my life have gone to waste because I didn't know about this concealer. It is so beautiful. It's what I'm wearing under my eyes. Oh my god, all the brides, if you're gonna get married, if you have some big function coming up, you need to have this. This is such a full coverage yet skin like concealer, provided you get your right shade. This is in the shade medium to ginger. I feel this is a shade that will flatter a lot of skin tones, because I've seen a lot of makeup artists have this shade. Punjab and ginger is something that flatters Indian skin tones a lot, but this concealer, oh my god, like I am gonna grab as many shades as possible. This blends like a dream. It has a very different consistency, you know what I mean? When you blend it, you feel that it's gonna, like, you know, last. It just doesn't slip and slide. It just stays put even before you powder it. Of course, I have a lot of wrinkles, so I definitely powder my under eyes, but you can go without it. If you have no wrinkles, or if you have extremely dry under eyes, you can just lightly dust a compact powder and you're good to go. But this product has my heart. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, moving on to another makeup product, which is this by Masaba once again. This is the Love Child Masaba Band Baja Blush in the shade Peach Puchka. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. I love it. It is like that squeezy tube. You can control the application and you can just blend it. Can you guys see how beautifully it's blending? I personally love these pink coral shades. It's a beautiful shade. This shade is gonna flatter a lot of skin tones, but they have other shades as well. You can check it out. It's around 499 rupees if I'm not wrong, which is like the standard price for, you know, a blush, a tinted blush. Sorry, I got distracted. Evie is doing something there. Anyways, coming back to this, I personally love it. This is having a satin finish because there is a very harsh light, you can't make it out, but I have put a highlighter on top. This, if you set it with the powder, it will have like a matte finish, but you can have it just on the bare skin with like a no makeup look. This will look perfect. You can blend it on your eyes, a little bit on your lips. You're good to go. I love multi-purpose products like this. A big thumbs up. Moving on to another drugstore product which has killed it, and it's K by Katrina. Oh my god, this is the highlighter which I'm wearing on my skin right now. This is so beautiful. This is their liquid highlighter dew drops kind of situation. I'm gonna show you how blinding this product is. You need the tiniest, like literally the tiniest drop. Can you guys see? मैंने इतना सा लिया हुआ है. Look at that gleam and the beam of highlight. Oh my god, this is तो मैंने काफी blend करके इसके powder ऊपर लगाया, इसलिए थोड़ा tone down है. But again, if you are a bride, if you have big functions, if you're a makeup artist, this is something you need to have. If you have a lot of like matte foundations, you can use this underneath your makeup or mix it with your foundation. It's that kind of a product. But I like to use it on the high points of my cheek. It looks beautiful. Like दूर से पहले आपके cheekbones दिखेंगे and then आप दिखोगे. This is so good. Best thing is that it has different undertones. This is like a pink undertone. This is rosé if I'm not wrong. They have a champagne shade and then they also have a bronzy shade for all my dusky girls out there. You will love it. This is a beautiful product. Trust me, you have to get this. मैं सुनने नहीं वाली. Just like pause this video, click on the link and buy this. This is too good. Around 899 or 1000 rupees का ये bottle है, but you get a lot of quantity. You guys know that I always recommend products which are value for money. Even if it's like an expensive product, I will only tell you guys to buy it if it's worth it. This is definitely worth it because you need just this much, you guys, like literally this much. This will last you till the expiry date. Trust me, get this. Alright, I forgot to talk about these two lavender products. Let's talk about this loofah. I spoke about this in one of my Instagram reels if I'm not wrong, but I haven't spoken about this on my YouTube. Run, get this. It smells so good. This is a loofah, a silicone loofah, as you guys can see, with dual side. So basically this is where the foam lathers up and this is like a massaging side, so you can give yourself a nice massage आपके ADO पे and like heels and stuff. So basically I love loofahs. Okay, I want my bathing experience to be amazing. तो loofahs जो normal वाले होते हैं वो सूखते नहीं है, उसमें बैक्टीरिया ग्रो हो जाता है, blah blah blah. I tried the organic ones also, same thing with them. This one on the other hand, this is silicone, right? So this is way more hygienic. This dries up very very quickly, and this does not, you know, hold any water, so there is no chance of bacteria growing inside this. You can wash this off and keep it outside. This will dry up within 15-20 minutes. This is so good. This gives a very beautiful experience when you bathe. I like to give myself a nice massage from this side, and oh my god, this is not that expensive as well. This I bought from Amazon. आपको link मिल जाएगी description box में, but this is a must. I love this. I'm gonna buy more for my family members, otherwise they just like steal it. But anyways, moving on to another lavender item, which is this right here. This is from this brand called as House of Quirk. Of course, it's not the original Stanley cup, but it does the job. I love this product so much. I'm like a little kid. I need a lot of like tumblers. Let me know if you guys want me to see my tumbler collection. I would love to show it to you, of course, in the shorts format, not a long format, but I will show you how many tumblers I have. So yeah, this is a very cute color. They have multiple colors in this. Expensive hai, but worth it hai because ये अंदर thermos hai. This keeps your water cool or warm for hours. Like I remember मैं रात को भी भरती हूँ और सुबह जब उठती हूँ तभी भी वो same temperature का होता है. So a good quality tumbler, good quality thermos rather. So yeah, stay hydrated. Alright, moving on to another expensive product. You're gonna kill me for this, but I am obsessed with it. Shamelessly. This is by Anastasia. This is their brow freeze gel, and this is what I have on my eyebrows. Now you guys know me, I am one eyebrowless child. I have hair on my head everywhere but not on my eyebrows, which is fine because I have this now. Basically, I was obsessed with like that laminated bushy brushed up brows, model brows, but I couldn't achieve it ever because I didn't have a good holding gel, brow holding gel. That Pears wala sabun ke wo sab purana ho gaya abhi. This is something that holds my brows in place forever. Like I do this like this, the hair is not budging, you know what I mean? My eyebrows are not this bushy, but they look so beautiful because I have brushed them up. This is a clear gel. I have made this lamination wala video, you should go check it out. उसमें मैंने I think Rare Beauty का use किया है, but Rare Beauty का भी इतना hold नहीं है. Charlotte Tilbury का मैंने use किया, इतना hold नहीं है जितना इसका है. I love it. इसमें inbuilt spoolie भी है, so you can just like brush your eyebrows. I'm gonna show the packaging to you. So basically, this is how it looks like. This is the brush. Can you guys see the bristles? Tiny bristles, so you can just like literally lift each and every hair up, laminate it, chipkao it, powder it, and then you can just fill them in. I like to use this, and then I like to use my Nykaa ka very affordable brow powder. This is how it looks like. It comes with this small brush as well. So मैं पहले ये लगाती हूँ, and then I just like fill them in and look at my eyebrows. They look so bushy and brushed up, and like it just lifts. I feel eyebrows is something I can never compromise on. I need my good eyebrow pencil or a product. One product that I need for the rest of my life, if you know, given a choice, it's gonna be an eyebrow pencil. Anyways, I'm obsessed. You can clearly see. Moving on to some skincare, shall we? I just have two products to show you. Skincare मैं इतना try करती हूँ कि it's very difficult for me to like show you guys what is my holy grail because I have like two big organizers जहाँ पे मैं रोज कुछ ना कुछ अजीब सा ट्राई करते रहती हूँ. But this has stood out in my opinion. This is very expensive. Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Texture Tonic. It's the refining toner. It has balancing plus resurfacing treatment with niacinamide, fruit AHAs, Japanese mugwort. It's a beautiful teal color. I'm obsessed with teal colors these days. I again got this from Paris or Japan. Japan? मैं जापान गई नहीं हूँ. I think I got this from Dubai or Paris, I don't know. So वहाँ से मैंने किट खरीदा था, उसका फेस वॉश ये और उसकी क्रीम. This has stood out in my opinion. मैंने फेस वॉश इतना यूज भी नहीं किया है. The cream is also okay, but this actually has given me results. Like whenever I have texture on my skin, I go with this because it has fruit AHAs, मतलब natural AHAs. So it is not very heavy on my skin कि you know मेरे को allergy हो जाएगी. I love this. I feel a lot of people will have different opinions about this is because you cannot see the result like this with toners. Any toner that you use, you need to use it consistently to see result. I personally have seen a lot of result. Will I repurchase this? Of course not. It's very expensive, but I don't regret buying this because I feel it has worked really nice on my skin. So yeah, moving on to another expensive product which has transformed my skin. I recently used it in my skincare reel also. This is the Medicube Collagen Glow Booster Serum. It has hydrolyzed collagen elastin with milk protein extract 1%. Now, this looks like an injection. You're supposed to twist it and then the product comes out. It's a very Korean thing because this always is the case. A lot of products that I've bought from Korea have that kind of a packaging, like a, you know, nozzle kind of a situation. This is too good. I'm gonna attach a clip from the reel itself. It looks like a milky formula. आपको लगेगा कि क्या इतना सा serum तो है, but it's so rich and thick. You don't need a moisturizer on top of this. This is coming from somebody who has extremely dry, dehydrated skin. I put this and my skin looks like a glazed donut. This has actually given me a lot of results. Like I have used it and how. मतलब ये एक्चुअली मेडिक्यूब ने मेरे को बहुत बड़ा पार्सल भेजा था, मैंने आपके साथ वो अनबॉक्स भी किया है शॉर्ट्स पे, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग फर्स्ट एंड आई फील आई कैन नेवर गो बैक. लाइक आई एम गोना टेल समबडी टू गेट दिस फॉर मी बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. आई थिंक यू कैन गेट दिस ऑन मैकरून एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज वेबसाइट्स जहाँ से आपको कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. अमेजोन पे भी एक बार मैं चेक करके आपको बताऊंगी, बट अगर ये अवेलेबल है कहीं पे भी, प्लीज ग्रैब दिस इफ यू हैव डिहाइड्रेटेड सेंसिटिव ड्राई skin like mine. Of course, if your skin is aging, I'm 27, I am getting wrinkles and stuff, so I need collagen which can penetrate inside my skin. Hydrolyzed collagen penetrates better into your skin. I really want their Medicube ka that device also, which Hailey Bieber uses for better absorption. I'm gonna invest in that as well, but this is too good. I hope you guys are not bored because तुम लोग ही बोलते हो बड़ा वीडियो बनाओ, अभी ले लो, देखो सारा products. Moving on to next hair care products. Some are expensive, some are affordable. Let's start with the affordable one. This is the Argan Oil Lavender 2-minute magic mask by Love Beauty and Planet. You guys know my love for their hair masks. This smells so good. Oh my god, I'll cry. This is too good, you guys. You have to check this product out if you are someone who's dealing with a lot of like unmanageable, ऐसे हाथ डालते हो तो बहुत रफ लगता है बाल. Definitely check this out. No matter what your hair type is, curly, wavy, straight, just like check this out. So this has argan oil plus lavender as the name suggests. So this actually tames down your frizz. The smell, the lavender का जो scent है, is so good. It lingers in your hair for a very long time. Like I think 1 or 2 days you can smell that lavender scent and you will get compliments. So yeah. One thing is that you need to buy this cap from Amazon. I have spoken about it so much. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, वीक में एक बार I use some like treatment kind of a mask. Normal तो हम कंडीशनर लगाते ही है, but वीक में एक बार what you need to do is wash your hair, come out, okay, towel dry your hair, put this mask inch by inch properly, सारे जगह पे properly इसको mask को लगाओ, and then you sit for 20 minutes under that cap and see the result. You will DM me and say that Mau, thank you so much that you changed my hair. Trust me, that mask plus the heat, like that sauna cap, actually does some magic. I've got this tip from Ami. She's a great hairstylist, so definitely do that. Buy this mask and the hair cap and try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Moving on to this product right here. I know it's expensive, but this deserves a shout out. Again, Ami hooked me up with this. Whenever I go to her salon, she uses this treatment on my hair. This is the African shea butter retention treatment. Oh my god. You guys know me and my love for shea and vanilla scents, right? So shea butter का जो scent होता है, it's that, and this will linger on your hair till the next hair wash. This is so good. If you have dry hair, then only go for this. Otherwise, you're not gonna like it. If you have oily scalp, stay away from this. But if you have dry, frizzy, puffy hair, you need to get this. This actually tames down the frizz. But ये rose मत use करना. I used that rose and I just like lost that bounce in my hair. You know what I mean? So don't use it every day. I made that mistake. But once a week, this product is gonna change your hair. Trust me, it is. This you can find on Amazon. Of course, I got this from Ami, but you can find this on Amazon as well. They have a shampoo too, which I like. मैं कभी कभी यूज करती हूँ उसको, but this deserves a special shout out. It has a special place in my heart. Moving on to this product, which is extremely expensive and does not smell nice. Not gonna lie, it does not have a good fragrance. So it was like kind of a bummer for me because I spent so much money on this tiny bottle, but it does what it says. This is the K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Mouthful. Basically, इसका जो काम है वो ये वाले हेयर मास्क से बहुत अलग है, ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु डील्स विथ वेरी थिन हेयर एंड बिल्कुल भी बाउंस वॉल्यूम नहीं है आपके बालों में, तो आपको बहुत हैवी मास्क यूज करने नहीं है जो ये है, ठीक है. दिस विल नॉट वर्क फॉर यू बिकॉज इट विल जस्ट किल द वॉल्यूम, बच्चा कुचा जो भी है आपके बालों में. सो यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर लीव इन कंडीशनर्स और लीव इन मास्क लाइक दीज. सो जस्ट फटफट वॉश योर हेयर. डोंट स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन योर हेयर इन द वॉशरूम बिकॉज जितना आप रिंस करोगे उतना ज्यादा वॉल्यूम कट करेगा वो. सो जस्ट वॉश योर हेयर नॉर्मली, टेक अ बाथ, कम आउट, towel dry your hair, and then use this generously in your lens and blow dry your hair or like air dry. this will give you results from the first use itself. If you have damaged, colored, chemically treated hair, brittle hair, this will really work for you. So thin hair girlies, definitely check this out. This is not a good smelling product, but it is not a bad smelling product also. तो chemically scent है वो चले जाता है after your hair is dry. You can use a serum to camouflage that scent, but this product is really good. इसका छोटू सा इतना सा एक ट्रैवल साइज आता है, वो 2000 का है. आपको ये प्रोडक्ट्स टीरा पे मिलेंगे बाय द वे. दिस थिंग K18 इज अवेलेबल ऑन टीरा. Very expensive, so think about it, then only invest. I will not force you guys to buy it. Maybe try this one out. If it doesn't work out, then you can go for this or the other one. So yeah, all right, moving on to your favorite section, which is the rom-com stuff that I always recommend in my Netflix recommendations. I'm a big rom-com girl. So the first thing that you need to watch is Love at First Sight. It's a recent release, 2023 में release हुआ था. It's a very cute 1.5 hour movie. Okay, it's so cute. So basically there are two, like the male lead and the female lead. They meet on an airplane and they fall in love on an airplane. Can you beat that? And there's Jamila Jamil as well in this. So I love her. I just remembered. Have you watched The Good Place? It is about heaven and hell, and it's beautiful. You need to. It's a big series, but it has magic and stuff. So Jamila was in The Good Place, and I am obsessed with her from that series. So when I saw Jamila is also there in this movie, I had to watch it. She's a very side character, but an important one. But it's a very cute, feel-good Christmas kind of a movie. You have to watch it. Love this. Next one is going to be. Can you guess? It's going to be Purple Hearts. Purple Hearts I think launched in 2022. It's a 2-hour movie. So the male guy, wow. So the guy is in the military and the girl is almost on the verge of dying because of her disease. So they get married because then she can use his medical license, or you know what? Basically she can inherit the benefits of medical benefits basically because he's in the military, and she's very poor, and that's why they get married. But then in the end they get caught because उन्होंने ये fraud किया हुआ था, and it's based on that basically. Again, a very feel good movie. The guy is very hot, very hot. So yeah, it's a nice. I am not gonna give you a plot. I'm gonna like rush through things because if I sit to talk to you guys, मैं पूरा story बता दूँगी, पूरा plot बता दूँगी, and this video will be like a 4-hour long video. But yeah, Purple Hearts is a very cute movie you need to watch. Next up is a K-drama which I recently saw. It's a very old one, Crash Landing on You. I don't know why I didn't watch it. It's a long series, okay, but you need to watch it. I know I'm probably late to the party. A lot of you guys already recommended me to watch that, so I did, and I should have watched it sooner. It's such a cute, feel good movie. So again, अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है क्या होता है कि the girl is a very big entrepreneur and celebrity in South Korea, but paragliding करते करते वो गलती से North Korea लैंड हो जाती है स्टॉर्म की वजह से, एंड हाउ शी इज ट्रैप्ड इन नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड हाउ द एंटायर लाइफ इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट इन नॉर्थ कोरिया. इट्स बेसिकली साउथ कोरिया वर्सेस नॉर्थ कोरिया, एंड हाउ द लवर्स वीर ज़ारा टाइप स्टोरी है, बट मतलब किसी को जेल नहीं होती है यहाँ पे. इट्स अ नाइस सीरीज, यू नीड टू वॉच इट. उसका प्लॉट ऐसा है ना कि मतलब हर एपिसोड में हर एक टाइम पे कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा प्लॉट ट्विस्ट आ रहा है. बहुत सारा बिट्रेयल है, एक्शन है, कॉमेडी है, सब कुछ है. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीरीज, यू नीड टू वॉच. नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस वन. इट्स अ वेरी, आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज वुड लाइक इट. इट्स योर प्लेस और माइन. ऑफकोर्स इसमें एस्टन कूचर है. You have to like it. It's a very I loved how it's shot, the movie. So basically ये best friends होते हैं and she marries somebody else. This guy is like a very playboy situation, and then she divorces that guy or he dies, I don't know. Basically he's not in her life anymore, and उसकी एक छोटी बच्ची होती है, and they are still best friends, but he's in some other country, she's in some other country, so they are always connected with each other via कॉल्स और फोन, मतलब वीडियो कॉल. सो प्रॉपर ऐसे स्प्लिट स्क्रीन दिखाया है ऑलवेज उसका लाइफ, एंड एक स्क्रीन में 2 लाइफ्स चल रही है. सो आई फील इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुली शॉट. आई रियली लाइक द सिनेमेटोग्राफी एंड हाउ इट्स शॉट, सो आई रियली लाइक दैट. एंड इट्स अ टिपिकल rom-com मूवी विथ अ वेरी हैप्पी एंडिंग. वेरी क्यूट मूवी, यू नीड टू वॉच इट, एंड प्लस इफ यू लाइक एस्टन, यू नीड टू वॉच इट. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज अनदर K-drama दैट आई एम वॉचिंग. इट्स, कैन यू गेस, क्वीन ऑफ टीयर्स. मैंने उसका ट्रेलर देखा, मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया. फर्स्ट एपिसोड देखा तो I was crying. Sorry for the burp. I was crying. I was literally like, क्या है ये? It's so confusing. Like it's a huge family. It's very annoying and same lag raha hai. But I am on the 8th episode now and I am obsessed. Like right now I'm thinking about how I will end this video and go back to watching it. It's a very nice, cute series. The guy is so cute, you guys, and even the girl. So basically मैं थोड़ा सा बताती हूँ. As usual, जैसे साउथ कोरिया के सारे इसमें यही होता है कि वो लड़की की या फिर लड़के की फैमिली बहुत ज़्यादा ईविल होती है. ये वाले में लड़की की फैमिली ईविल है, बहुत पैसे वाली है, का जायदाद के लिए बहुत झगड़ा चल रहा है. ये बेसिक वो तो है ही, सारे के ड्रामा में वो होता ही है. सो दैट इज देयर and she is having terminal illness. She didn't know that and basically these people got married. ये घर जमाई बन गया है लड़का, उसका लाइफ हेल बना दिया सबने, because गुलाम टाइप ट्रीट करते हैं, even her the heroine herself. But now she reveals that she has terminal illness and then the story continues. I'm not gonna say anything because मुझे भी ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं है. But there is a lot of evil stuff as well. Like उसका एक ex आ जाता है and he is trying to eradicate the family basically, and बहुत सारा ड्रामा है इसमें. के ड्रामा जो बोलते हैं वो प्रॉपर ड्रामा है इसमें. The guy is too cute, you guys. You need to watch it if you are a fan of like K dramas. You need to start watching this. The first episode is gonna be boring, second even, but धीरे धीरे you will understand because there are a lot of characters. तो कभी कभी बहुत boring हो जाता है कि इतने सारे characters क्यों है. But yeah, have patience, you're gonna love it. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.